እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ12ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 5 ነው። የዩኒት 5 ለዛሬ የምናየው ፓርት 4 ወይም የመጨረሻውን ክፍል ማለት ነው። የዚህ ዩኒት የመጨረሻው ክፍል ምንድነው? ሂውማን ቦዲ ሲስተምስ የሚለውን በአጠቃላይ 160 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል። እነዚህን አብረን እንሰራለን። እስካሁን ያሉትን እስከ ፓርት 3 ያሉትን እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ባዮሎጂ ብቻ ሳይሆን ያው ሌላም እንደዚሁ ኬሚስትሪ እየሰራ እንገኛለን። ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ያሉ ሰብጀክቶች ማለት ነው። እነዚህን የትምህርት አይነቶች በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል፣ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ እንዲሆን ማለት ነው። በቀላሉ በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ ለፈተና የሚያዘጋጃችሁና መጽሐፉ መልስ አለው፣ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለእያንዳንዱ መልስ ማብራሪያ ኤክስፕላኔሽን ያለው መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህንን አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ኮንታክት አድርጉን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኖ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። አሁን ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሂድ። 121 which of the following hormones is not secreted by the anterior pituitary gland? A. growth hormone, B. thyroid stimulating hormone, C. oxytocin, D. C. oxytocin. So this oxytocin is not secreted in the anterior pituitary gland. Oxytocin is produced by the hypothalamus and stored in the posterior pituitary for release when it's needed. 122 what is the primary function of the thyroid stimulating hormone? A. stimulates milk production in mothers. B. control secretion of adrenal hormones. C. regulate metabolism through thyroxine release. D. control the concentration of water in body fluids. C. regulate metabolism through thyroxine release. 123 which disorder results from the excess secretion of the growth hormone in adulthood? A. dwarfism. B. cretinism. C. D. Addison's disease. Okay, C. acromegaly. Okay, acromegaly is the excess growth hormone secretion in adults causes acromegaly, characterized by abnormal enlargement of the hands, the feet, or facial features. 124 the posterior pituitary gland stores and releases hormone produced by the which organ? A. pancreas. B. hypothalamus. C. thyroid gland. D. adrenal cortex. B. hypothalamus. Okay, the posterior pituitary does not produce hormones but stores and release oxytocin and antidiuretic hormone from the hypothalamus. 125 which hormone is responsible for stimulating ovulation in females? A. growth hormone. B. luteinizing hormone. C. prolactin. D. antidiuretic hormone. B. luteinizing hormone. So the luteinizing hormone stimulates the ovulation and plays a crucial role in the menstrual cycle and reproductive system. 126 a patient experiencing excessive urination and dehydration is likely deficient in which hormone? A. oxytocin. B. growth hormone. C. antidiuretic hormone. D. cortisol. Okay, C. antidiuretic hormone. So the antidiuretic hormone regulates water balance in the body by reducing urine output. Its deficiency leads to excessive urination and condition known as the diabetes insipidus. 127 which gland is known as the master gland of the endocrine system? A. Thyroid, B. Pituitary, C. Adrenal, D. Parathyroid. Okay, B. Pituitary. The pituitary gland is the known as the master gland. So the pituitary gland controls the secretion of several other endocrine glands, and the name known as master gland. 128. A goiter result from the deficiency of which essential nutrient? A. Calcium, B. Iodine, C. Vitamin, D. Iron. Okay, this is iodine. The iodine deficiency is the result the goiter. Okay, so goiter is the result of the deficiency of iodine. 129. Which of the following function of a parathyroid hormone? A. Stimulates insulin release. B. Regulates calcium levels in the blood. C. Increases metabolic rate. D. Controls adrenal hormone secretion. B. Regulates calcium levels in the blood. So this PTH increases blood calcium levels by stimulating bone resorption, calcium absorption in the intestine, and calcium reabsorption in the kidneys. 130. Which of the following hormone is produced by the adrenal cortex? A. Adrenaline, B. Cortisol, C. Thyroxine, D. Oxytocin. Okay, the B. Cortisol. Cortisol is the steroid hormone secreted by the adrenal cortex and plays a vital role in the metabolism and stress response. 131. Which hormone is known as the fight or flight hormone? A. Thyroxine, B. Cortisol, C. Adrenaline, D. Prolactin. C. Adrenaline. The adrenaline is known as the fight or flight hormone. ፍርሃት ወይም ድንጋጤ ሲሰማን ያው ፋይት ኦር ፍላይት የሚል አይነት እንትን የተሰጠው ማለት ነው። 132. What is the main function of the prolactin? A. Regulate calcium metabolism. B. Stimulate milk production. C. Control blood glucose levels. D. Increase the heart rate. Okay, B. Stimulate milk production. Okay, ይሄ ፕሮላክቲን የሚባለው በዋናነት ለሚልክ ፕሮዳክሽን ፎር ዘ ማማሪ ግላንድስ ወይም አጥቢ እንስሳት ከአፍተር በርዝ ወይም ከወሊድ በኋላ ስቲሙሌት የሚያደርግ ነው ማለት ነው። 133. A person experiencing symptoms of low energy, weight gain, and mental sluggishness may have which condition? A. Hyperthyroidism, B. Hypothyroidism, C. Cushing's syndrome, D. Addison's disease. Okay, B. Hypothyroidism. The hypothyroidism results from the underactive thyroid gland, leading the slow metabolic rate and associated with this symptom. 134. Which hormone helps in uterine contraction during childbirth? A. Estrogen, B. Oxytocin, C. Prolactin, D. Cortisol. B. Oxytocin. The oxytocin stimulates uterine contraction during the labor and also aids milk ejection during breastfeeding. 135. What is the main function of the follicle stimulating hormone? A. Stimulates cortisol production. B. Stimulates the production of sperm and ova. C. Increase calcium levels. D. Regulates heart rate. B stimulates the production of sperm and ova. Okay, the follicle stimulating hormone, development of ovarian follicles in the females and sperm production in males. 136. Which of the following statement correctly describes the pancreas? A. It is entirely endocrine gland. B. It secretes digestive enzymes but also hormones. C. It has both exocrine and endocrine functions. D. It only secretes insulin and glucagon. Okay, C. Both exocrine and endocrine. Okay, pancreas is both no. Secreting exocrine means secreting digestive enzymes, and endocrine means secreting hormones like insulin and glucagon. 137. Which pancreatic cells are responsible for insulin secretion? A. Alpha cells. B. Beta. C. Delta. D. C. No. B. Beta. The beta cells in the islets of Langerhans secrete the insulin to regulate blood glucose levels. 138. What is the primary function of the glucagon? A. Lowering blood glucose levels. B. Stimulating glucagon breakdown. C. Inhibiting protein synthesis. D. Promoting fat storage. B. Stimulating the glucagon breakdown. 139. What causes type 1 diabetes? A. Autoimmune destruction of the beta cells. B. Resistance of the insulin in the target cells. C. Excessive secretion of glucagon. D. Overproduction of insulin. A. Autoimmune destruction of beta cells. So type 1 diabetes occurs when the body immune system attacks pancreatic beta cells, leading to insulin deficiency. 140. Which hormone is secreted in response to low blood glucose levels? A. Insulin. B. Glucagon. C. Estrogen. D. Melatonin. Okay, B. Glucagon. Okay, the glucagon is released by the alpha cells when blood glucose levels drop and helping it increase the glucose level. 141. Which of the following is not an effect of insulin? A. Stimulating glucagon synthesis. B. Increased glucose oxidation. C. Stimulating protein breakdown. D. Promoting fat storage. Okay, C. Stimulating protein breakdown. Insulin promotes protein synthesis rather than breakdown and helps regulate glucose metabolism. 142. What is the primary cause of type 2 diabetes? A. Autoimmune destruction of alpha cells. B. Insulin resistance in target cells. C. Deficiency of glucagon. D. Overproduction of somatostatin. B. Insulin resistance in target cells. Okay, so type 2 diabetes results from the insulin resistance where the cells don't respond properly to the insulin. 143. Which pancreatic hormone inhibits the secretion of both insulin and glucagon? A. Melatonin. B. Progesterone. C. Somatostatin. D. Testosterone. Okay, C. Somatostatin. Okay, somatostatin የሚባለው ይሄ somatostatin secreted by beta cells inhibit the release of the insulin and glucagon that regulating carbohydrate metabolism. 144. Which hormone is responsible for regulating circadian rhythms? A. Testosterone. B. Melatonin. C. Glucagon. D. Progesterone. Okay, B. Melatonin. The melatonin secreted by the pineal gland. The pineal gland regulates the circadian rhythms and sleep-wake cycles. 145. Which of the following stimulates the production of the estrogen? A. Follicle stimulating hormone. B. luteinizing hormone. C. Testosterone. D. Melatonin. A. Follicle stimulating hormone. 146. What is the function of the progesterone? A. Stimulating follicle development. B. Preparing the uterus for implantation. C. Inducing ovulation. D. Increasing glucagon breakdown. Okay, B. The preparing the uterus for implantation. 147. Which gland is responsible for secretion of testosterone? A. Ovaries. B. Pineal gland. C. Testes. D. Pancreas. C. Testes. The testes secretes testosterone, which is responsible for the male secondary sexual characteristics. 148. What is the function of luteinizing hormone in males? A. Stimulating sperm production. B. Stimulating testosterone secretion. C. Increasing blood glucose levels. D. Suppressing melatonin secretion. B. Stimulating testosterone secretion. 149. What is the role of melatonin in the ren animal like humans? A. Enhance metabolic rate. B. Regulating sleep-wake cycles. C. Increasing insulin production. D. Stimulating ovulation. Okay, B. Regulating the sleep-wake cycle. Okay, so melatonin helps regulating the circadian rhythms and sleep patterns, particularly increasing during the night. 150. What happens when melatonin levels decrease with age? A. Increased risk of diabetes. B. More stable blood glucose levels. C. Changes in sleeping patterns. D. Increasing estrogen production. C. The changing in sleeping patterns. So the natural decline of melatonin levels with age leads to altered sleep patterns. 151. Which of the following best describes the primary function of the thymus gland? A. It produces insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. B. It secretes hormones that promote the maturation of lymphocytes. C. It stores red blood cells for oxygen transport. D. It regulates the production of the digestive enzymes. B. It secretes hormones that promote the maturation of lymphocytes. Okay, the lymphocytes. So the thymus gland produces the hormones such as the thymosin, which play a crucial role in the development of the T lymphocytes. 152. What is the primary function of the kidney in the homeostasis? A. Producing insulin. B. Regulating glucose levels in the blood. C. Filtering blood and regulating water and ion balance. ዲ ፕሮዲውሲንግ ሬድ ብለድ ሴልስ፣ ሲ ፊልተሪንግ ብለድ ኤንድ ሬጉሌቲንግ ዋተር ኤንድ አዮን ባላንስ። 53 the structure responsible for ultrafiltration in the kidney is A. loop of Henle, B. Bowman's capsule, C. collecting duct, D. renal pelvis. B. Bowman's capsule. 154 which hormone is released when the body needs to conserve water? A. adrenaline, B. insulin, C. antidiuretic hormone, D. oxygen. C. antidiuretic hormone. 155 the main functional unit of the kidney is A. nephron, B. glomerulus, C. renal pelvis, D. Bowman's capsule. A. nephron. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney where filtration, reabsorption and secretion takes place. 156 what part of the brain regulates body temperature? A. cerebellum, B. medulla oblongata, C. hypothalamus, D. pituitary gland. C. hypothalamus. The hypothalamus acts as the body's thermostat and detecting temperature and changes and triggering response to the maintain stable internal temperature. 157 what physiological response occurs when the body is too hot? A. vasodilation and sweating, B. vasoconstriction and shivering, C. increased metabolism, D. increased blood sugar. A. vasodilation and sweating. When the body is too hot, the blood vessels near the skin widen, or this is the vasodilation, and sweat gland release sweat to cool the body through evaporation. 158 which of the following statements about the thermoregulation is correct? A. it only occurs in cold-blooded animals, B. it involves feedback mechanisms to maintain internal temperature, C. the hypothalamus only controls heat loss but not heat gain, D. sweating increases in cold temperature to generate heat. B. it involves feedback mechanisms to maintain internal temperature. 159 what is the primary function of the osmoregulation? A. to produce red blood cells, B. to maintain balance of water and solutes in the body, C. to increase digestion efficiency, D. to regulate calcium levels. B. to maintain balance of water and solids in the body. This is called the osmoregulation. 160 ይሄኛው የመጨረሻው ጥያቄው ነው ለፓርት 4 እና ለዚህ ዩኒት ማለት ነው። If the body has an excess of water, what response occurs in the kidneys? A. increase the release of ADH, B. decrease release of ADH, C. increase glucose reabsorption, D. increase protein excretion. B. decrease release of ADH. Where there is too much water, the ADH secretion decreases, leading to more dilute urine and greater water loss ማለት ነው። የዛሬውን የባዮሎጂ የጥያቄና መልስ ዝግጅታችን ፓርት 4 በዚህ ጨርሰናል። የሚቀጥለውን ሌላ ቶፒክ ይዘን እንቀርባለን። ባዮሎጂ ብቻ ሳይሆን ያው ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ እንቀጥላለን፣ ኬሚስትሪን ጨምሮ ማለት ነው ከ9 እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ ለፈተና እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዙ ናቸው። ጥያቄዎቹን በመጽሐፍ መልክ እንደ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አድርገን አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ መጽሐፍ የያዘው ጥያቄዎቹን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ኤክስፕላኔሽን ጋር ነው። ስለዚህ ከ9 እስከ 12 ያሉትን ኬሚስትሪ እና ባዮሎጂ ለእያንዳንዱ አንዳንድ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህንን መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ኮንታክት አድርጉን። መጽሐፉ ምንድነው በቂ ጊዜ የሌለውና በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ ጥያቄዎቹን ብቻ በመስራት ለፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲያግዝ ተደርጎ የተዘጋጀ በጣም ግልጽ የሆነና አሪፍ መጽሐፍ ነው። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ